I had two bananas that were getting too soft, and instead of tossing them, I made these banana cupcakes. They're fluffy, sweet, and come together with no mixer. Here's how I did it. In an empty bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. It's totally optional, but it smells amazing. Mix that up and set it aside. Heat a pack of small butter in microwave to melt. Peel 2 ripe bananas into a separate bowl and mash them well till almost smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of banana extract. Then crack in 2 eggs. Mix it up together. Pour in the melted butter and mix it again. Pour the wet mix into your dry mix and stir it gently. Don't overmix it. Line your cupcake pan with paper liners, then scoop your batter in each cup. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's ready. They come out super soft, fluffy, and smell like banana heaven. Save this for your next sweet craving. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.